Are your notes boring? In this quick tip video for Apple Notes, I'll be showing you how you can make your notes stand out. So let's get started. We're going to start by opening up Notes and open up a brand new note by pressing the icon in the bottom right corner to start a new note. I've just saved some information to use for my note for this example. In order to format this, I want to put the cursor where I want the first formatting option. In this case, I want it right before the word first. I'll press the formatting menu, which is right above the keyboard with the two A's listed. Press that. And then in the middle set of tools on the far right, you'll see a 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to press that. So now I have that first. Okay. Let's see. Change your home's air filter. I want that to be the heading. So I'm going to go ahead and press the formatting icon again. And I'm going to go scrolling to title. Actually, title is better than heading. And here is also where I'd like to have a highlight color. So you'll see a colored blue circle. If you press that, you're going to have a choice of different colors. I'm going to keep it blue. And now I'm going to look for the next step. I have one step right now. Find the next step and press return. And now I have two steps. So same thing. I'm going to press return on the third step, the fourth step, and the fifth step. So now I have a note with 5 directions, a title, and it's formatted and highlighted. So it's a lot easier to read. Now I could continue formatting or I could just leave it like this. When I'm all done, I can see my note in the menu of notes for this particular topic. I hope you found this video helpful on how to add some formatting to the notes you use on Apple Notes. Go ahead and click the like button below. Subscribe to my channel so you'll always know when new videos come out, or join my channel, which you can find out about in the description, and that way you'll have early access to all the videos I produce. See you next time.